Every journey begins long before the factory doors open.
Quality starts with health, care, and control.
Calm handling preserves quality and reduces stress. Balanced nutrition shapes texture and flavor from the start.
This is agriculture engineered for consistency.
Only approved cattle move forward.
Comfort remains a priority at every step. The supply chain begins to move. Traceability is locked in. Precision replaces force. From open land toward industrial precision. The journey continues beyond the farm.
Modern meat begins with responsible farming.
Distance is measured not in miles, but in control.
Technology safeguards every kilometer.
Agriculture meets industry. Even in transit, conditions are carefully managed.
Every entry is verified.
Traceability remains unbroken.
Inside the system.
Biosecurity comes first.
All right, team, the shipment is arriving now. Remember, precision on the ramp is critical.
Coordination prevents errors.
Every surface is engineered for safety. Movement without stress. The factory process officially begins. Data decides direction. Order begins with organization. Each animal becomes a recorded unit. Cleanliness is the first process. Nothing is left unmanaged.
Batch is ready for approval.
Confirmed. Let's proceed.
Approval unlocks the next stage.
Uniformity simplifies everything downstream. Flow replaces hesitation.
Sterility is built into motion. Conditions are constantly measured.
Everything pauses before precision. Now, the transformation begins. This is where raw material meets precision. Every movement is measured. Uniform cuts define the final bite. Consistency is engineered. Human hands refine the machine's work. Flavor is infused, not added. Time and motion deepen taste. Preparation defines efficiency. Flavor settles before drying.
Data confirms readiness.
Heat becomes the next tool. The drying process begins. Drying is guided, never rushed. Moisture leaves, structure remains. Heat is applied in stages. Every percent matters.
Verification never stops.
Balance defines texture. Stability before exposure. Transformation is complete.
Cooling locks in form.
Heat leaves without haste.
Only the right look proceeds. Consistency is restored.
Automation takes control next. Precision now moves at machine speed. Decisions happen in milliseconds.
Accuracy is confirmed.
Order is automated.
Safety is silently enforced. Every pack starts with math. Flow is protected.
The product is ready to be sealed. Humans still guide the system.
The final form takes shape. Protection begins here. Everything waits for sealing. Freshness is engineered, not assumed. Packaging gives protection and identity. Assembly begins with exact placement.
Every seal is a promise.
Integrity is verified instantly. Every pack tells its story. Individual units become inventory. Speed meets precision. The product takes its final form. What began as raw meat is now ready. Scale is built layer by layer.
Nothing ships without proof.
Before approval, everything is questioned.
Trust is built on verification.
Strength is measured, not assumed. Details reveal discipline.
Safety systems prove themselves.
Shelf life depends on numbers.
The bite must feel right.
Taste is tested, not guessed.
Invisible risks are addressed.
Time reveals the truth.
Compliance clears the path.
This batch is cleared.
Now it's ready for the world.
Approval opens the warehouse doors. Protection extends beyond the pack. Identity travels with every load. Movement stays controlled. Storage is engineered space.
Every position is known. Quality is preserved in waiting. Demand triggers motion.
Storage turns back into flow.
Accuracy leaves nothing behind.
Everything waits in sequence.
The exit is prepared.
From storage to motion once more.
Nothing moves without confirmation.
The journey is sealed. Data clears the road ahead.
The product leaves the factory. One factory, many destinations.
Global markets come into reach.
Quality travels under protection. From factory to shelf. Scale is the signature of modern food.
Efficiency, safety, and control, working together.
And this is how modern factories produce beef jerky from start to finish. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.